Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. It is 8 o'clock on Sunday as I'm recording. I'll try and get out as quick as I can. But yeah, started quite early this morning, started at 5. But it's pitch black, so I thought I'd just wait till it gets a bit lighter. So yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. The camera's a bit closer to me today, just because there's a pad there for a bracket, so sorry about that. Yeah, today I am at, well, I'm just leaving Wakefield Coca-Cola, heading back over to Manchester. It's in Trafford Park. It's Costa, or it's a company that supplies Costa. Yeah, it's quite a bit of weight on today. Got 18 ton on the back axle. Definitely feeling it. Yeah, so going over to Trafford, dropping this off. Like I said, I've never been there. On Google Maps it does look a bit tight, but it is set up for class 1s, you know, so there's quite a few bays. When I say tight, I mean it's not much space, obviously, but so it's more of a tight angle to get it onto a bay. So I'm hoping it's not too busy from my first shot at it. Then we're going just round the corner to Procter & Gamble after we dropped in Trafford Park. I'm not too sure if we're delivering that one direct to a customer or not, or we're just going to set it back to Appleton. I'm not too sure. I've not checked that far ahead yet. So yeah, I've just set my cameras up. The batteries are a bit low, so I won't be doing much before I get there. So I will resume this when we get a bit closer. Welcome back guys. We are just turning around because I've gone the wrong way. It just threw me where Google Maps shows the company. It's different. It's saying GXO on there. So I've just double checked with the paperwork, and it is still the right place. So I had a bit of a panic and drove past it, because it is just on a junction. I didn't want to just park, you know, just there. So it looks like we are here. Hopefully, there's still no sign saying Costa. I'll double check with the guy in this place now. Morning. I don't know if I'm in the right place. It's Costa. Yeah. Will do. Thank you very much. So it looks like I've got plenty of room to get in there, so I'll back in, then open the back doors. Definitely got a lot of space here. Back nose. Right, so we are on the bay. And paperwork's handed in. I'm just going to wait now. To be fair, it does look very busy. Well, it is very busy. It didn't look that busy when you drove in, but when you realise there's a solid space, like a truck width between each bay, so it's not a truck bay, I should say, in between. So it looks like we're fully. I'm on the only empty bay. So I'm hoping they're fully manned on a Sunday. Sometimes warehouses aren't, and you just get picked, or you get unloaded when you get unloaded. So I might be in for a long wait. Again. Good news is I've got some food, some Scotch eggs I've had in the fridge. So I'll have some of them. And hopefully we'll be done by then. Let's have a look here. What we've got next. Yeah, so once we're tipped here, we're going over to Procter & Gamble, but it's in Trafford Park, so it's only a couple of minutes away. And that's a collection. At the moment, it's 9:30. We're only booked in it here at 11. Procter & Gamble, they're a bit of a stickler for times. That's at 2 o'clock. Oh, there we go. That's better. It says collection time is 12 o'clock. Oh. So, yeah, we're still on green light at the moment, which means they've not even opened the doors. Once it goes red, that means they've actually opened the shutters and they've put the dock leveler on the back of the truck, the trailer. So yeah, I'll continue to charge my batteries, and we'll do some manoeuvring next time, because my camera that goes on the mount that did run out of battery. But yeah, when we get to Procter & Gamble, I'll be able to do the magnetic mount, if you know what I mean. That I've been promising. But yeah, speak to you in a bit. Yeah, so good news is the gatehouse will let us in. Bad news is the goods in office that we have to drive round to, they're having the breakfast, so I'm not allowed to go in until until they finish the breakfast, and we'll just have to wait on the weighbridge until we go in. On the plus side, I do have a magnetic mount set up, because it was just like straight pointing down. I can't fit it anywhere on the new models, so we'll have to just make do with what I can do. So yeah, I will have it pointing backwards when we finish at the goods in office, so we'll drive round with it, because it is very secure. I struggled to get it off when I was testing it. So yeah, it's very secure. I'll have it pointing backwards, then we'll back into the bay. Future videos, I won't make a thing of introducing it and saying what I'm going to do. It'll just happen. It'll look more natural. I don't have to do a big intro and warm up. Yeah, for now we are waiting for goods in to finish the Sunday breakfast. Right, we are on. Drop this off 21, so I'm not driving round that much. 21, I don't think. Oh, here we are. angle for you. Here we go. So on this site, it's drop and swap. Hopefully we have to disconnect it, but I need to undo all the curtain tensioners on the side, just so when the shunters take it in to be loaded, it's easier for them. It's just an agreement that we've got with P&G. So I will just do that and get it unhooked. Right, so that is how I do that. That's how it's supposed to be done on site. Right, so I'm gonna head back to the depot. Believe it or not, it's 11:30. I might as well take my break. I mean, 4 hours 45 working time. So I can make it back to the base and see what's happening before I even take a break. I've not took any breaks today. I've been waiting, but I've not took any breaks. So yeah, I'll get cracking back to the base. Best get this camera back in. Yeah, it's only a short video. I'm not going to apologise for it. People don't like me apologising. So yeah, it's an early finish, hopefully. They might send me somewhere else, I suppose, but this has to go back to Appleton, and then If they send me anywhere else, is what it is. Right, I'm going to drive down there and get out of this place. Right, speak to you down the road. Yeah, when I get off, staff asking me if I've got ibuprofen. Sunshine off that puddle. So yeah, well, I'll just record coming out to Trafford Park. Shouldn't be that dramatic. With it being Sunday, but throughout the week, people do not care for the rules of the roundabout in Trafford Park. Depending on what time of day it is. If it's like around 2 o'clock, that's when the shift's starting and finishing, so you have people rushing to get home or rushing to get to work. And then around tea time, it's just people just. I'm supposed to be in the middle lane going around the roundabout. You get people going on the inside, which is fine, and then on the outside as well, just to get into 2 lanes. It's like, I don't know about getting stressed about it. This is your workplace at the end of the day. This is my workplace at the end of the day, I should say. So yeah, try not to get too stressed about it. As long as I'm in the right, which I'm always in the right, obviously. Apart from now, I should be in the middle, should be in the right-hand lane now. Splits into the yeah, so there's only a left and a right. So there's a car on my left here now. So I'm giving him space. He should be pulling straight ahead there. See what he's doing? Yeah. Because you do get cars going. This is the roundabout I was on about, where on the left-hand lane, they'll come all the way around the outside of you, and expect this is the lane that they should be in. And it won't just be one either. There'll be like 2 or 3 cars just in a row, just going around the outside of you. This roundabout, so when I turn left at this roundabout, I need to be in the right hand lane. So you can see the road markings. This lane to go left, the right lane is to go right. The middle lane now is to go straight on. So I can use this left lane and go straight into the right hand lane. Check in. You'll get cars again coming around the outside here. Another example. Cars go on the left hand lane all the way around. Come on, indicate. That's suppose they're allowed to do that on this one. I'm in the middle lane, I'm going straight into the middle lane. Anyway, just turn the engine off. Goes green. I'll retry this journey again. Why it's going slow. Turn this heating down. It's getting a bit warm. Right, so that is us done for the day. Yeah, I just handed the paperwork in, and I did take a break while I was just like packing stuff up, like a 15-minute break. Yeah, there's nothing else to do. The planner said, "Do you want to finish early?" I said, "Yeah, fair enough," and that was it. Bags packed, and I was done. So yeah, I'll try and record at least another one for this week anyway. Yeah, so obviously thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, please click the bell icon so you'll be notified when I post another video. Hope you like the angles. Please leave a comment as well. Things that you like, things that you don't like, things that you want to see on the channel. Things you want to see less of. Just leave a comment if you can. Just say hi. Yeah, I will respond to everyone as well. So really appreciate you watching it, giving it a like, giving it a subscribe if you have already. If not, please do. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.